Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send money to someone using Apple Pay's Tap to Cash feature. This allows you to transfer money simply by holding two compatible iPhones close together. No need to exchange phone numbers or manually enter payment details. So make sure both devices are compatible before you begin. So you need to make sure that an iPhone running a compatible version of iOS, Apple Cash setup in the Wallet app, Apple Pay enabled on their devices, a Wi-Fi or cellular data connection, and if Apple Cash isn't set up yet, open the Wallet app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Now, you may also be able to access the Tap to Cash directly from the Apple Cash Card options, depending on your iOS version. And then the next thing that you need to do is hold the top portion of both iPhones close together. The devices should automatically detect each other and display the Tap to Cash interface, and keep the phones near each other until the connection is established. And then you need to enter the amount of money you'd like to send. Double check the amount before continuing to avoid sending the wrong payment. And of course, you need to review the payment. Once the recipient is detected, verify the recipient's name, confirm the amount you're sending, make sure everything looks correct. This is your last chance to review the transaction before completing it. And finally, authenticate the payment. To authorize the transfer, double-click the side button, or you can authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Apple Pay will securely process the payment, and all I have to do now is wait for confirmation. After the transaction is completed, both devices should display a confirmation message indicating that the money was successfully sent and received. The funds will typically appear in the recipient's Apple Cash balance almost instantly. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to send money using Apple Pay's Tap to Cash feature by simply tapping two iPhones together. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next one.